Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set mail muted thread action to mark as read or archive or delete on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Mail. And in here, go down to the threading section and tap on muted thread action, and then choose mark as read or archive or delete. So what this feature does is that it will turn off notifications for further replies on the email thread. So let's take a look at how this works. I'm going to go back to the home screen, and then I'm going to open up the mail app. So in here you can set a conversation to mute. So I'm going to mute this conversation, and you can see there is a mute icon. So whenever I receive an email from this thread, it will goes to an unread. It will mark as unread or will automatically go to a trash folder. And that will depend on what you have set in settings here. So in settings, if you have set it to mark as read, so whenever an email is receiving from a muted conversations, it will do one of the two actions right here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.